Me I tell them, you know. Guys, you see how me have me cake here, guys, to make me video. See the boy cut off 2 slices.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes guys, I'm so excited for this recipe. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. You can hear the smile on my face, but basically you can see it. I can see it. I can feel it. Alright guys, so this one is an updated version of the Jamaican black fruit cake. Alright, this one I will put Magnum in it because you know Magnum is a tonic wine. Alright, it have lots of iron and vitamins for you. Okay, it's a red wine. Alright, it has a 16.5% alcohol, and you know me add lots of rum and lots of red label wine, which this one a little bit lighter, 13.7%. I add a lot of rum and wine when I was soaking my fruit over here, guys, so I'm not gonna add any more rum, just gonna put wine for flavor. To make the two, I'm heading for 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Alright, so 3 cups. So when you're baking, guys, every cup of flour you put a teaspoon and a half of baking powder and quarter teaspoon salt to make it self-rising. Alright, but I'm not gonna put so much today. Okay, I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon salt. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. It should be 3/4 teaspoon. We're mixing all the dry ingredients. It's 2 cake, so keep in mind we're gonna put 2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. All right, want it to have flavor. Cinnamon, I'm gonna put a teaspoon and a half. The cinnamon is actually strong, you know, guys. Just gonna put a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. This is my clove. I'm gonna go in with just half teaspoon clove. And this is my mace, the outer covering of the nutmeg. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of mace. Now we're just gonna sieve this. Sieving it like let the flour or the mixture get light. All right, this is my mixed fruit. Let me just scrape it out like this. 3.5 to 4 cups you're aiming for. And we're gonna use some red label wine to blend it. Half cup to 3/4 cup. All right, guys. And I like to pulse it like that. So stop and start. And if it's not blending, make sure you stir it. Okay? Stop and stir. Alright, so we're gonna leave it at this. So almost 2 cups. Alright, so we're gonna blend again. Alright, that's how I want it, guys. So here you go. This is the amount. Oh yeah, baby. Guys, I forgot to put my allspice, my pimento allspice. And I'm gonna put a teaspoon, this one. And you can just mix it up. Alright, basically. Mix that up. I forgot that part. You say, what else me missing out there? Yeah, you don't have to put it, guys. It's optional. So I'm gonna go in with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Okay. So that's it, 1.5 cups. You can do 1.75 cups, and this one is also sweet. So 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. You can use 1.75 cups if you want. All right, and then I'm gonna add this half pack of butter. Unsalted butter. Just gonna break my butter up a little bit. Cream this together, the butter and the sugar. Butter and sugar. Sugar and butter. Alright guys, I'm gonna break my eggs. I'm using 6 of them, and I'm gonna take out the whites. We're gonna add the eggs one at a time. Alright, one by one. Guys, I took the whites out, so you know, say I know one by one, but you know, just add it a little bit at a time. Judge it. Alright, soon as you mix it, guys, you see it look nice. Don't over mix it, stop. Now my peeps, we're gonna add some orange zest. Alright, so instead of using the lime or lemon, I'm just gonna go in with about a tablespoon. Right, we're gonna use this and we're just gonna zest it in first. Alright, prevent the cake from being too raw. Alright, and the orange peel gonna give it more flavor. Right, now you're gonna go in. I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. All right, we're gonna pour it in there. Go in with the mixed fruit so you don't do too much mixing. We're gonna head for 3.5 cups. Three. All right guys, so we're right, and about half cup in there. Right, so I'm not have to bother measure it. So 3.5 to 4 cups. Just go ahead and scrape it out. Go ahead and pour a little wine or water. Mix out the goodness. Right? Don't leave it. There you go. And we're gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons. All right, I'm gonna flavor it now, guys. New and improved. So this one is gonna be Magnum Sorrel Black Fruit Cake. All right, guys. I always come with so good. I always come with new recipe for you guys. All right, this is my Magnum. We're gonna go in with 1/3 cup. Oh boy, we drunk round here, guys. Hallelujah. You can put half cup if you want. Okay, this is my rose water. We're gonna go in about 1/2 teaspoon. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1 teaspoon almond extract, or half. Put to your liking, just a little bit. Guys, you smell this, yeah? Ooh, hallelujah. Less mixing, so go ahead now. Ooh, hallelujah. Hallelujah, sister and brother. Oh, go ahead and mix this. So you don't give it too much mixing. All right. Ooh. Yes, yes. Them have to pay big bucks for this, you know, guys. Lots of good stuff in there. Mm. Mm. Before I add my flour, we're gonna add the bad boy browning. Start off with 1. They don't want it too black, alright guys? 2, 3, so 4 tablespoons browning. You can use more or less, alright guys? Give this a little mix. And some browning are stronger than some, so be careful, alright? And they don't want it bitterish. So let's work with this. Oh my goodness. You see this now, guys? So we're gonna come over here with the dry ingredients. Pour it a little at a time. You see, guys, it's not hard making the cake. Put whatever you want in it. When I go to Jamaica, I'm gonna make some for Christmas out there, and I'll show you how it come out, all right? Because I don't know if I can get all the ingredients. So wow, so nice. See guys, my measurement is good. Don't have to add anything else to it, guys. Beautiful. And you must taste it, you know, guys. If you want a little bit more sugar, mix up it. Alright, I'm gonna use my spatula now. If you want it darker than this, add another tablespoon. Scrape everything together now. Guys, this is how you want it. You want it to drop. Look there. That's it. Yeah, so just go ahead and finish, mix it out. And that's it. Don't over mix it. Alright. Once everything come together, go pop it in the oven. Alright, preheat your oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do 325, 330, round about there. Alright. My baking pan, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. Grease the sides as well. I have these greaseproof paper. I got them from the dollar store. I'm just gonna set it there. Oh my goodness, guys, it's a lot. Guys, you see how fluffy and nice? You see how fluffy and nice, guys? This person, they don't want it to be black, okay? But if you want it darker, add another tablespoon of browning. All right. This pan is really thick, so you want to put it 1/2 to 3/4. This is about 2.5 pound cake, all right, because it's a big one. Give me perfect 2, and these are 8 inches and they fit deep, so this is for 2 9 inches, all right. So just go ahead and level it off like that. When you can taste it before you bake it, guys, you know say it'll come out really good. I have some water here. I'm gonna put it on the bottom rack just to keep the temperature nice. Gonna pop these bad boy in for about 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. All right, and we're gonna come back. Gonna come right back. So guys, here we go. Insert whatever inside. Comes up clear. It baked 1 hour and 50 minutes. All right, you can go up to 2 hours if you want. Grab the next one. All right, so guys, this is the color they have. All right, and I have it here. And just as you take them out the oven, you see how them fluffy and nice, little guys. Ooh. We're gonna saturate it, alright? Oh, just juke it up. You see all through them crack there? That's so nice. So go ahead and juke it up, juke it up, juke it up, juke it up, juke it up. Guys, when it starts to move away from the pan, you see it? You know it's good to go. So juke it up, juke it up, juke it up. Alright, and just continue to spray it down. So I'm gonna spray it, let it cool, and saturate it one more time. Alright? If you don't want too much, or you want it, depends on how you want your cake. If you don't want it too much saturated, don't put too much. Alright? Let this cool down. When it cool down, I'll put one more portion. Yeah, one more spray, and it should be good. Alright, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna leave these out so they can cool.
Me I tell them, you know. Guys, you see how me have me cake here, guys. You make me video, see the boy cut off 2 slices.
I was testing it.
You're testing it. Same I test it, guys. You see this here? Anyhow, guys. Come hold this, let me cut the cake, but give people them see piece. Anyhow, guys, the boy go and cut my cake already. But anyhow, I'm gonna cut it for you still. Come hold this on here. And you want a lick. Boy cut my cake already. We couldn't cut the phone up. This mad boy. Let me have it. Boy cut it already. And that the one there. Nice. Moist. This is how it's looking, guys. Moist and nice. Alright guys, this is it, and I'm gonna let this boy taste it. Boy, come and cut the cake. No, you can't taste it for them, cause you come cut the cake. Tell them how honest taste.
Yeah, it's a pass. It's always a pass though.
It's always a pass. Alright guys, the boy cut off my cake, so it's a pass. Anyhow, let me taste it. And it's not that sweet, eh? Alright guys, bye. What the hell? We're taking up all the slices.
Well, I already know we had 2 slices.
Bye guys. See, quarter it done already. Bye.